Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is paycheck day and we are going to be stuffing $715 into our cash envelopes and also into our sinking funds. Now this is the last stuffing, pretty much our last paycheck of October. Really sad. Halloween is coming up on Monday, and then it is November, and then it'll be Thanksgiving, and then Christmas. It has flown by, you guys, and I'm just a little stressed. I have not really planned on Thanksgiving. I literally just announced that I was going to host this year, so we have a little bit of a stress level going on right now, but it's going to be totally fine. Everything's going to work out. Like I said, we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and it's going to be a fun one. All right, so first off, we are going to do our cash envelopes like we always do. It doesn't really change. Gas prices here in Alabama is about $3 and I think $3.02, $3.12, something like that. It's really not that outrageous. It would be great if it's under $3. I think I've seen one gas station that was $2.98. So let me know down below what y'all's gas prices is right now. And I'm pretty sure it is expensive. Like if you're from California, it's probably like $7. Anyway, so groceries is going to be getting $100. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. So groceries. Gas, we do have some leftovers, which is very surprising. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So $14 is going to be going towards money challenges this week. And we are going to be doing $140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. Fun money, we have some extra ones as well. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So $8 left over. So let's see how much we have total. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So $22 left over from our cash envelopes, which is really good. I usually don't have this much money. I usually maybe have like a couple of dollar bills to go towards the cash, towards like the money challenges for Tuesday, but this is actually pretty impressive for myself. I do say so myself. Pat myself on the back. All right, so fun money is going to be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And when you are watching this, I'm actually filming this on Friday night. And after this video, I have to get ready. We have a little birthday dinner that we're going to go to. We're going to go to a local fish camp or fish restaurant, and we are going to enjoy each other's company. So that this fun money will go towards that. And also this Sunday, I am actually going to be doing a little witches ride for Halloween. And essentially, if you've never heard of it, it sponsors I think it sponsors breast cancer awareness, I believe. And it's just a 3-mile bike ride around the downtown area into the other town that I have to go to where I work. I work in the city, and they are having a witches ride. And you bring your bike, you get a t-shirt, you dress up as witches, any Halloween outfit, anything pretty much. I've never done it, and you bike for 3 miles and all the proceeds goes towards breast cancer or whatever charity that they are sponsoring that month. And it's actually really fun. Never done it. A lot of people do it. It's super fun. I'm pretty excited, and I'm doing it with 2 of my friends from work. And yeah, hopefully maybe I can get some clips and do like a little short video on YouTube just so y'all can see if y'all have never heard of the witches ride. But yeah, so that is it for the cash envelopes. Now we are going to be moving to our sinking funds. Our sinking funds. So medical is going to be getting $20. I need to get $100 bills off of this one, but 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80. Let me make sure. Well, there's a 50. We'll see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. So this is $195, so $245. Let's see, 195 plus 50, $245. So $245 in medical is how much we have. Great. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20 as well. Let's see. 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So 177. What is next? Next is going to be vacation, which is going to be getting $200, which is exciting. And while you are watching this, we did make our final payment on Disney. We are going to still show it in the savings challenges on Tuesday, and I'll explain why. I had not deposited the money, but it is charged to my card. But I will explain that on Tuesday. Next one is Dobby, and Dobby is going to be getting $10. So we have 20, 30, 40, and 41. Dobby and Oliver. Christmas will be getting $20. So we have $21 in here. Home is not getting anything in. It has $1 left. Steve is vacuuming the house right now. So if you hear that, that is Steve. Special occasion is getting $0. Beauty has $10, $11, $12. And then renewal has $5 and $6. So that is it for our sinking funds. And then last but not least is our side hustle. And our side hustle, we have made $105, and the $102 is actually from our YouTube, which is really exciting that we got paid from YouTube this month, or last month. Is it October? I think we got paid for September. It's usually like the month before. I do have another payment coming out for Macari. I have not withdrawn that, but I think it is maybe closer to $30. I'm not sure, but I will have to take that out. And then next week we will go over the side hustle and see where we're going to put this money at. So we have 100, 20, 25, 26, and 27. Now this is not the final number, like I said, because we do have Macari. So $27. We also have, I think, one more payment from eBay too. So that's, I think, is maybe another $15. But yeah, we'll see. It's a good month, and it's mostly because it's a good month because of YouTube. But anyway, so that is it, you guys. So we stuffed our cash envelopes, our sinking funds, and also our side hustles. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I cannot wait to see you again on Tuesday for a money challenge, and it's going to be really fun. Anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much. Bye.